Hello everyone, Oliver from Scholarcy here. In this video, we're going to run through exactly why Scholarcy is your go-to reading and research companion. Let's take a look. Here you can find Scholarcy's organisation tool. This will keep your articles nicely organised so you can find them at any time. Each library will display the total number of articles and folders which you can find within. Let's take a look inside. In this library, you can see that there are no folders and 9 stored articles. Scholarcy will automatically rename the imported file to be the article title. This ensures you can locate it with ease. You'll also get a short headline giving you a brief overview of the article content, along with the author names, publication year, and citation count. Organising your saved articles is as simple as clicking a button. From here you can see the variety of different sorting options you have available. Let's take a look at an example of Scholarcy's structured summary and how you can benefit from using them. On the left-hand column, you'll find Scholarcy's navigation bar, which you can use to easily resume reading a section of your choice. On the right-hand side, you can find the note-taking app. This can be toggled off and on with the click of a button. Let's take a look at the structured summary. We can expand the details section to reveal article metadata if needed. We can then move on to the snapshot section. This is perfect for screening articles you may want to read. The snapshot will give you a narrative overview of the article content, what their objectives were, and what they were able to achieve. Following the snapshot section, we can find the key findings. From here, you'll get the 5 main takeaways from any article. Use these to gain a deeper insight into what the article covers. Each of the key concepts are highlighted. These link to a definition in case you need some further reading on the background of the article. You can also dive deeper into the nuance of the main takeaway by clicking on the navigation arrow found next to the finding. This will take you to the full text where you can do some extra reading. Use the key findings to extend your screening process or to build the knowledge to preempt what comes up in later sections of the structured summary or the full text. After the key findings, we can find the summary sections for the objectives, methods, results, and conclusions. These sections have been designed to allow you to progressively reveal more information at a pace which suits you. Each section can be easily navigated, which allows you to digest the content at your own pace with none of the usual distractions. Use these sections to gain an in-depth understanding of the article content without having to spend hours on an overwhelming wall of text. To customize the summary further, why not try Scholarcy's enhanced summary mode? You get a variety of options to customize the summary to your reading preference. Let's take a look at the bullet point lover option. The summary has been restructured with new headings and provides a series of bullet lists to cover each subtopic. You can revert back to the original summary or change to a different enhanced summary option by clicking back onto the enhanced summary button. To gain further insight into the background of the topic you're reading about, check out the key concepts. Scholarcy extracts the key concepts and themes from any article and provides links to the definition in case you need some further information on this subject. Ask a question or write a prompt to the Dig Deeper tool to gain a further insight into the article you're reading. This will help close any knowledge gaps that you may have after reading the structured summary. The Dig Deeper tool is not connected to the internet and will only use content found in the original article. This is to prevent hallucinations and to ensure 100% accuracy with its answers. We'll now move on to the analysis section. Use this to really dive deep into the efficacy of the article you're reading. You'll begin with the research quality. This is calculated on a variety of factors, including citation count, data availability, and much more. We can then find the research comparison section. This will tell you all that you need to know about how the article builds on and differs from previous literature, and any results which have been confirmed or contrasted. Click onto any of the points to read direct quotes from the original article from any of the categories. Clicking on the citation in the direct quotes will navigate you to the reference list. From here, you can gain more information about the cited work using Scholarcy's findings tool. Use this to screen any cited work without having to leave the original article. In the remaining of the analysis section, we can find the sections containing the limitations, future work, practical applications, study subjects and statistics, and study compliance information. Use these to best understand how the authors have considered the factors going into their research study, the areas they acknowledge the limitations in, and where they are planning to take their research next. Any figures and tables found in the original text will also be extracted. These can be found in the full text section. Click on the figures to enlarge them. This can make it easier for you to digest what the author has presented, and it allows you to build context on the information you read in the previous summary sections. You can gain further information using Scholarcy's Explain tool, which will provide a handy summary of the figure being shown. You can even download the table data in the Excel format if you wish to do your own analysis. Critically evaluating an article's references has never been easier. Just click the Show Findings button on any of the in-text citations to gain a synopsis of the cited work. Gain a rapid overview of the main takeaways across the entire article using Scholarcy's Important Points tool. Within here, click on any of the quotes to be taken to that section of the original article. From here, you can gain more nuance and understanding by reading the surrounding context. Scholarcy offers a variety of export options, so you can take your summary to any other app in your workflow. In addition, you can also bulk export your structured summaries to take advantage of some of Scholarcy's more powerful features. Let's bulk export a selection of articles to the Word format so we can take a look at Scholarcy's literature synthesis output. Open the Word document to find the literature synthesis. From here, you'll be able to see how the articles build on and differ from one another, any confirmed results, and any contrasting results. The synthesis will help you to see how articles fit together in the wider field of research. And at the end, you'll also get a bibliography. And it doesn't stop there. Scholarcy can help you to screen and summarise articles you find all over the web. Just fire up Scholarcy's browser extension and you'll be able to generate a structured summary in one click. You can even save these to your account if you want to store them for later. Retrieving your recent flashcards is as easy as ever. Just click onto Recent Flashcards and you can find the last 10 that you imported. You can search for saved articles by title, author name, keyword, or from notes you added. You'll never lose another article again. You can also use the search engine to find articles using Scholarcy's OpenAlex integration. The orange padlock shows articles which are open access and can be imported in full with no restrictions. The grey padlocks show closed access journal articles where the abstract and only part of the introduction may be available. Click on Import to add any of these articles to your library. Your libraries can be shared with other Scholarcy users. Click the three dots next to the library and click Share Library. Enter the recipient's email and then click Add. You can find any libraries shared with you by clicking on Shared Libraries from the left-hand ribbon tab. You can then open any of the libraries that have been shared with you from here. The next tab over shows your shared libraries and is another way to add more users to your libraries. So now you know exactly how Scholarcy can support you at whichever end of the reading journey you're on, whether you're screening an article to try and determine whether or not it's even relevant to your research question, or for synthesising a large collection of documents into one literature review. Hope this helps. Let us know how you get on in the comment section down below, and thank you very much for watching.